Okay, so here's the complete and full detail about Chaldan's latest TG 2.0 running shoes. Ang tawag din nito is Laylee, yung model name niya. Pareho lang yan, Laylee and TG 2.0 ay pareho lang. Okay, this is version 2 na ng TG model nila. Okay, so, I'll make this very detailed para makita nyo lahat ng mga important details and full features niya. This will be released on August 8, 2026 pa lang. Okay, so actually, ito as of recording, hindi pa nire-release to. So, if I were you, save this video, repost, and share din sa mga kilala nyo para makita din nila ano yung expect pag nirelease na itong TG 2.0 ng Chowdan on August 8, 2026. Okay, so, simulan natin sa fitting, sa sizing. You get your usual size and dinesign ng Chowdan to na maging wide fit friendly. Okay? So, ano yung size sa ibang Chowdan shoes nyo, ganun din. And kung ano yung size sa ibang brands, ganun din. You get your usual size. And maganda talaga siya sa wide fit. Okay? Nasuot ko siya. Okay. Second, okay, yung midsole nito is Q Kung Fu Pro. Okay? Nakalagay dyan, Q Kung Fu Pro. Actually, this is parang medyo iniba nila yung blending ng Q Kung Fu Pro na foam. So, it's soft, very good in sa mga long runs. Okay, ang ganda ng bounce niya, balance yung bounce niya. And this can also do a little fast-paced runs. Okay, pwede nyo i-pick up ng konti yung pace dito. Okay, ang ganda ng foam niya. Okay, and it's really great for long runs, for easy runs, recovery runs. Okay, and then pwede nyo singitan ng konting fast-paced runs. Okay, so yung kapal ng midsole nito ay from here, yung color white lang na yan or red hanggang dito sa almost sa taas. Almost kasi yung paa natin mas nakalubog dito. So, andi dito yung start ng paa natin kasama insole, pababa hanggang dito sa may foam. Hindi ko sinama yung black rubber, yung outsole. Hindi ko sinama yan. It is 34 mm and yung likod naman niya from here to here, it's 40 mm. So, it has 6 mm drop. And by feel, it really has 6 mm drop. So, sinuot ko, ganun yung feel niya. 6 mm drop siya. Okay? So, it's really soft and bouncy. Tignan nyo, okay? Magandang bounce niya, balance yung bounce niya, and really soft. It's really good. Ang sarap sa paa. Okay. And next, yung ilalim niya, ginamitan siya ng CPU, outsole. Chowdan uses QASU. Okay? QASU yung rubber, which is a CPU outsole. Grippy, very durable. Very grippy and very durable. Okay, ito yung ilalim